Hi, I'm Skylar. I'd like to show you how to make a Gmail app for your desktop on a Mac using Automator. To do so, click on Spotlight and type in Automator. Press Return to launch it, and then go to Application and click Choose. Automator is a really cool application which allows you to very simply build apps which follow simple workflows. On the left-hand side, click Internet, and then click Get Specified URLs. Drag this over here, and type in Gmail instead of Apple. Now click Display Web Pages, and drag that over. Okay, so now it'll display gmail.com. Click File and Save. Call it Gmail. And save it to your desktop for now. Make sure it's in the file format application. Okay, you can quit Automator. I've got this icon file that I downloaded from the internet. It's just a gmail.icns. Here's the app I just created. Right-click it and click Get Info. Info about our application appears, and if we drag our ICNS file on top of the robot picture, it replaces the icon. Okay, I'll close this window, and now I'm going to drag my app to my desktop, or to my dock rather, and then store it in my applications folder. Okay, so now I've got an app on my dock which takes me directly to gmail.com using my default browser. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.